The Snapcode is like a key to your child's pre-K enrollment application for the upcoming school year. Once you accept a pre-K seat in the school choice application, you should receive a unique Snapcode link for each child via email. When you click on the Snapcode link from the email you receive, you will be sent to the Enrollment Family Account sign-in page. If this is your first time accessing the Enrollment Family Account portal, click Create Account. Fill out the form to create your family account. Families should not create multiple family accounts for each of their children. They should only create one enrollment family account, and use that account for all the children they have attending HISD. After you sign in or create an account, you'll be prompted to verify your student's date of birth. After verifying, you will be brought to your student's pre-populated form. When filling out the form, you don't have to answer all questions, but fields marked required must be answered before you can submit your form. If you would like to make a change to your information, select the underlined field or choose Prep to return to a previous page. When you have finished entering your information, click Submit to send all the information you entered to the school. If you can't click this button, make sure that you have answered all required questions. If you have more than one student in the district, you'll need to fill out and submit a separate form for each child. This will allow you to snap over shared family information, saving you time. If you need help with filling out the form or have any general questions about the process, you can contact us at 713-556-4826 or email at earlychildhood@houstonisd.org.